Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Auris. In this video I'll show you how to install towing hook. In the beginning, take a look at the trunk of your car. Towing hook is located right here under the floor. I already took it out. As you can see, on the back of the hybrid version, there is no place you can install the towing hook. It's related to the fact this car has electric engine that cannot tow any other cars, but it can be towed. Take a look at the front of the car. Right here we've got this cover. We have to remove it. In order to remove it, we have to push it from side, and the other side should pop out. Now we have to screw in the towing hook. Make sure it's tight and secure, and it's done. Now, to put it back, simply push it in. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.